digital footprint. First, you understand that what is footprint. Footprint means foot symbol, foot sign. Okay, just like see here, whenever you will walk in mud or sand, that times we are leaving our footprint, right? So whenever we're leaving our footprints, if somebody will search me, so through this footprint they can reach to me, right? They can reach. So same things in the digital footprint. If any user using the online, using the internet, through the internet, whatever activity that person is doing, that one storing the data in the server side. Okay, so through that data we can trace to the that individual person, So that is why digital footprint is also called digital tattoos. Why? Tattoos, you know that very well, in the human body they are putting. Okay, when they put it, so we cannot remove it. Once they put, we cannot remove it, right? So this is the permanently symbol, this tattoos. Same things in the digital tattoos also. Whatever you are searching, you are surfing in the internet, you visit any website, sending the email, any information, any form you submit online through the any application portal or app, you upload your images and videos in the social media site, download the any file, videos, images, install the app. Once you receive the email, that receiving email, if you want to open, so that times also we are leaving the data, perform any transaction, just like UPI transaction nowadays we are doing. So that is also, so whenever we are doing this activity through the internet, so that means that user is leaving the data, and once we are leaving the data, that can not be deleted. Okay, so it is also permanently stored in the server side. So that is why digital footprint is also called digital tattoos, right? So see here, visits any website. I have written the example. Whenever you visit any website, so that times they are recording your data, user data. Whenever you are sending to the emails to any user, any information, whenever you submit online, just like you are filling the form, examination form, college registration form, that times also we are leaving the data. So how you will fill the form? Any online application, website, otherwise portal, otherwise app. Upload your images, videos, audio in the social media sites. Then download the files, videos, images. So these are the examples of digital footprint.